Alright, so while the door panel is gone, I'm going to take the speaker out, which we already did. Should be 6.5s. Look at these pieces of shit. I mean pieces of garbage. Where is this? Yeah, okay. So we've got 3 7mm. They just line up. They weigh absolutely nothing. They're worthless. But I did put the window down for a reason. I want to show how much depth this thing has. So I got, well, we got interrupted. To the knuckle, please. To the knuckle. So do I have a tape measure? Somewhere in my truck. But listen. What I would do, break this completely out. This is nothing. This is garbage. Cut, cut, cut. Use this as the actual ring to mount new speakers in. You see? See how it gives you a whole, like, adapter, technically? This is the speaker. It's paper. You see? It is the speaker. I would just cut it, break it, break it all out. Use it as an adapter. And there you go. 3 7mm, like I said. Should be 6.5s. I definitely put 6.5s in here because these, you know, these are garbage. And you are good to go. I'll put the links and everything. And let's wrap it up with like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.